Free shipping. Get these cables and you get free shipping. Look at these things. These are 4-in-1 240-watt fast charging cables. You have a USB to USB-C. You have a lightning charger to USB-C. They are silicone 6mm diameter cables. Comes in gray, purple. Look at this color. Isn't that awesome? And get this. They also change colors. They light up. Think of how cool that is. These will charge your iPhone, Android fast. They can also be used as data transfer cables. So you can hook it up to your device and then your computer. So get these. They're offering free shipping right now. So go into my TikTok shop and check them out. Click on the link below.